Mesa County Stormwater Division is committed to protecting our rivers through the maintenance of our stormwater sewer system. When precipitation washes down the storm drains, it can collect pollutants such as trash, fertilizers, pet waste, and automotive fluids. These pollutants are known as illicit discharges and are carried directly to our waterways without passing through a treatment plant, causing poor water quality, fish kills, and algae. How can you help protect our rivers in Mesa County? Be aware of common pollutants known as illicit discharges: paint, cleaners and household chemicals, automotive fluids, yard clippings and fertilizer, trash, pet waste. Practice good housekeeping. Take paint and household chemicals to the Mesa County Hazardous Waste Facility. Drop off yard clippings at the Mesa County Compost Facility. Clean up after your pet. Wash your car at a car wash or on a porous surface to prevent chemicals and soap from running into the storm drains. Report illicit discharges and stormwater pollution immediately by calling our 24-hour hotline at 970-263-8201. Visit our website at stormwater.mesacounty.us for more tips on how to keep our waterways clean and protect our Colorado rivers and streams.